So, good morning students. My name is Sir Jahan Isumanglang, but you can call me Ma'am Jahan.
Hi students! A pleasant morning! I am your teacher Cindy Bulayagan and you can call me Ma'am C.
Okay, good morning everyone. I am your teacher, Francesca Bandari.
Okay, so good morning again students. So again, my name is Sir Jahan G. Sumanglang. So before we proceed to our proper discussion, let's first have a prayer. So may I call on Saadra Dimana for the Muslim prayer and Rika Iltramata for the Christian prayer. Okay, so everyone please stand up and please bow our head. Okay, so thank you students. So before you take your seat, please pick some pieces of trashes and please arrange your chairs properly. Okay, so thank you students. You may now take your seat. So now, let's check your attendance. Okay, very good. You are all present today. Okay, so now let me present to you the learning objectives of our topic. So at the end of the lesson, the students should be able to recall the uncontrolled cell division that can lead to cancer. Describe the processes of the cell cycle, including events that take place during interphase, mitosis, and cytokinesis. Make a conclusion out of the topics and share it to the class.
Before diving into our main discussion, let us know first our topic. Okay, our topic for today is all about cancer and regulation of the cell cycle. Are you ready?
So now, let me test your prior knowledge about our topic. Okay, so let's start. The first card is define cancer on your own words and perception. Yes, Abubakar? Okay, good job. The next card is, do you believe that anyone can develop cancer? Yes or no? Yes, Miss Oranon. Okay, good job. The next card is, what is cell? So, who can define me what is cell? Yes, Miss Oyong? Okay, very good. The next card is, what is a cell cycle? Okay, anyone? Yes, Miss Abedin. Okay, very good. The next card is, what happened during cell cycle? Yes, Miss Akman? Okay, very good. The next card is, the last card is, what is PMAT? Okay, what PMAT stands for? Okay, very good. So now, Ma'am Cindy will take charge.
Alright, thank you Teacher Jehan. Did you enjoy answering the questions? Alright, did you answer well? Alright, since I saw that you enjoyed a lot answering our questions, we will be having another fun game. Are you ready? Alright, our game is called Who Am I? All you have to do is to pick a number from 1 to 4 to get your clue. Alright, pick a number from 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Alright, pick a number. Number 4. Alright. Okay, our clue from number 4 is, I am called cancer of blood. Again, I am called the cancer of blood. And my name starts with letter L. Your time, 10 seconds starts now. Alright. Can I hear your answer? Miss Ahmed, what is your answer? Alright, your answer is correct. How about a round of applause, please? Another number. Pick a number. Number 1. unscramble it for me. You have 10 seconds to unscramble it. Alright, what is your answer, Miss Uranon? Alright, the right answer is called cell cycle. Alright, proceed. Pick a number. Okay, number 2. The clue for number 2 is, I am called the uncontrolled cell division. And my name starts with letter C. Again, I am called the uncontrolled cell division. And my name starts with letter C. What is your answer, Mr. Gimba? Alright, your answer is cancer. That's good. The right answer is cancer. Alright, now let's have the last number. Number 3. Alright, we have here the scrambled board. Can you unscramble it for me? Yes, Mr. Ponte, you have answer. Alright, the right answer is called tumor. A round of applause, please. Very good. Alright, did you enjoy the game? Okay, for now, we will answer the activity sheet. Ma'am Jehan and Ma'am Kansa will distribute the activity sheet. And the answer on the activity sheet is based on your previous knowledge and based on the question that was thrown to you by Ma'am Jehan. Alright? But remember, before answering the activity sheet, don't forget to write your name first. Because if you're not, I will put a Carabao in it. Okay? Okay, students, settle yourself. And your activity sheet, please settle it down because we will give separate time, enough time for you to answer that. But for now, can anyone read it for me? The meaning of the cancer? Yes, Ms. Oranon? Yes, read the whole citation. Alright, thank you so much. As said here that when we say cancer, it is an uncontrolled cell division. And when we say cell division, it has actually a normal cycle. But in the case of the cancer, it was interrupted by the mutation. That's why some people, most probable, some people develop this what's so-called cancer. And it is important for us to take good care of our health, not to develop this kind of diseases. Next. Let us now proceed to the types of the cancer. First, we have the sarcoma. Can anyone read it for me, the meaning of the sarcoma? Yes, Mr. Gimba? Alright, as said here that when we say sarcoma, it originates from our cartilage. So, meaning, a cancer in our cartilage is called sarcoma. Next, we have melanoma. Can anyone read it for me? Yes, Miss Abidin? Okay, very good. When we say melanoma, it is actually a cancer in our melanocytes. And it contains the pigments of our body. So next. Leukemia. Can anyone read it for me, the meaning of the leukemia? Yes, Miss Ahmad? Alright, very good. When we say leukemia, it is actually a cancer in our blood. Next. Next type of cancer is carcinoma. Can anyone read it for me? Yes, Ms. Abubakar? Alright, very good. When we say carcinoma, it is actually originated in our epithelial cells. So yes, that is the 4 types of our cancer. Very good. Last, next.
Okay, so thank you, Ma'am Cindy. So now I'm going to introduce to you the 4 causes of cancer. Okay, so these are the genetics, tobacco, alcohol, and UV rays. Okay, so now let's proceed to the treatments of cancer. So there are 5 treatments of cancer, and these are: first, the surgery. Next is the chemotherapy, the immunotherapy, the hormonal therapy, and the radiation therapy.
So, okay, thank you, Ma'am Jehan, for giving the floor. Okay, to know more about cancer, let us elaborate the regulations of the cell cycle in order for us to know more about the cancer. Regulations refers to the progress of the cell by means of cell cycle, which is controlled by various points. In that way, the various checkpoint can be able to determine what kind of cell that has the DNA which contain damages. On the other hand, when we say cell cycle, this is the process where the DNA replication happens in order to produce a daughter cell. So the cell cycle consists of many phases, which are the G1 phase, the S phase, the G2 phase, the M phase, and the Go phase. So okay, remember our checkpoint, the G1, the S phase, the G2, the M phase, and the Go phase, these are the various checkpoints that will receive a signal that this kind of cells has a damaged DNA. So once they receive that signal, they will go in under repairment of that cell. So those cells that didn't being repaired are what we know as the cancer, which is the cancer cell. Remember, the G1, the S phase, and the G2 phase, these are the collectively known as the interphase. We must first realize that before a cell undergoing cell division, which what we know, the meiosis and mitosis, first thing, the cell must undergo a cell cycle. So for now, we have to learn, let us start to know more about what things or what kind of things that happen in these different phases. So in G1, the cell increases in size and cellular contents are duplicated. So meaning to say, this is where does the cell undergo major growth method. Then for the S phase or the synthesis phase, this is the DNA replications happen. And take note, in S phase, this is where the majority of mutation can happen. That's because the replications happens here, and most of the time, the nucleic acid are being mismatched. Then let's proceed to G2 phase. So in G2 phase, cell grows more. So if in G1 the cell increases in size, and so G2 phase is where the cell grows more. So in M phase, the mitosis followed by cytokinesis cell separation happens here. And for the Go phase, this is where the permanent state or reserve divisions for cell happens.
Alright, students, are you still with us? Okay, to expand more your knowledge, we will be having your assignment. Our assignment is to make a reflection out of the topic that we discussed earlier. If that's okay? Alright, students, clap your